So children, let us see chapter number 8 of the activity book. First of all, there is a comprehension where you have to read the passage and answer the questions. 4 little ducklings were swimming in a pond. Quack, quack, said Spotty. I see a little duckling with a yellow spot on its head in the water. No, no, said Milky. It has a white spot near the eye. No, 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 said Millie. It has a ring around its neck and looks like me. Quack, quack, said Daisy. But I think it is like me, for it is yellow and white. Mother Duck laughed. Quack, quack, she said. You can all see your reflection in the water. You are looking at yourselves. So children, this was the passage and now we will answer the questions. First one is, where were the little ducklings? So the little ducklings were swimming in a pond. So you can write here, the little ducklings were in a pond. Number 2, who saw a duckling with a ring around its neck in water? So out of 4 ducks, who saw the ring around the neck? Millie saw. So you will write here, Millie saw a duckling with a ring around its neck in water. Why did Mother Duck laugh? Mother Duck laughed because... Why did Mother Duck laugh? Mother Duck laughed because all the ducklings were looking at their reflections. All the ducklings were looking at their reflections. Now part B. Match names of the ducklings with their descriptions. Now children, what you have to do? 4 ducklings were there. So the names of all the 4 ducklings are written at one side. And other side, all the description about the ducklings are given. So what you have to do? You have to match the correct duckling with the description. Number 1 is Spotty. So first of all, A had a white spot near the eye. Second was yellow and white. Third has a yellow spot on its head. And fourth had a ring around its neck. So the Spotty had a yellow spot on its head. So C is the correct answer for 1. You will match Spotty with option C. Next is Milky. Now, what was the description about Milky? It had a white spot near the eye. So, A is the correct answer for Milky. Milky had a white spot near the eye. Number 3 is Millie. Millie had a ring around its neck and Daisy had a yellow spot on the head. Now, part C is read the words aloud. What you have to do, you have to read these words loudly. Tree, trip, train, truck, track. Then is draw, drive, drink, drip and dress. First row, tr sound is there and second row, dr sound is there. So you have to do part D according to the dr and tr sounds. What you have to do, add dr or tr to the words, to the letters to complete the words. Now some words are incomplete here. You have to complete these words by adding tr or dr. So first is done for you, train. Next is drink. You will add dr. Third is tree. Fourth is drop. Fifth is draw. Sixth is dress. Seventh is truck. And eighth is trunk. So in this way you will do part D. Okay. Now let us come to part E. Fill in the blanks with the words from the box. Here the box is given where you have to, where the houses of Some animals are given. Now you have to choose the correct house for the animal. A cow lives in a shed. A horse lives in a stable. A lion lives in a den. A bee lives in a hive. Sparrow lives in a nest. And duck lives in a pond. So in this way you will do. Next is drawing activity. Draw whatever is written here. Okay, you will read the instruction and draw. A bird's nest in the tree, two birds flying above the tree, football under the tree, one apple on the grass, and the sun behind the tree. So, whatever is written that you have to draw. And part G says, fill in the blanks with the correct words from the bracket. Here the prepositions are given in the bracket. You will choose the correct one and answer. The fish is swimming. Dash the bowl, in the bowl. A bug is sitting in or on the flower, on the flower. A cat is sleeping under the bed. Luca is hiding behind the curtain. And last one, I see many kinds of fruits on the plate. Last one is let's write. What you have to do here, read about Geeta. I am Geeta. I am a girl. I am 7 years old. I live in Goa. I have straight black hair. I am tall. I play with my friends in the park. I like to ride a bicycle. So this is the description given about a girl whose name is Geeta. Now write about yourself. So children, in the same way you will write about yourself, that my name is so and so, I am a girl or a boy, I am dash years old, I live in Bathinda, and some more things about yourself. So basically you have to describe yourself. So children, these are the parts of chapter 8 of activity book.